This is the second time I passed him. Oh crap, he keeps chasing me, Jay. He does not like to be looked at. Okay, leave me alone. Oh my god. I gotta work out today. I wasn't just walking, I was running. Oh shit, he keeps coming after me. I want to go on this street, dude. I know. Please, let me over. Okay. I don't think he's gonna let me over on that street. I'm gonna have to walk around him. Okay, dude. No, you have it your way. Quit chasing me. He's getting mean. He's like the protector, man. Okay, dude. I really need... Okay. Shit. Okay. Okay. You win. A turkey scares the crap out of me. I wouldn't do very good with a bear, would I? Okay, you win, turkey. You win.